Hey, what's up you guys? Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Before we move on, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. So, in this video, I'm going to make a fabric banner for my first time, and I've been really wanting to do it, and I keep seeing it on Pinterest and I'm like, it's so cute. And like you could put it for like any occasion, you know, like some people just put it into their kid's bedroom or just for decorations for like different seasons or different holidays and birthday parties and all this other stuff. So there's so much different kinds of fabric banners you can make, and I'm really excited. And so this is my first time, like I said, and let's just see how it goes. Like I think it's gonna come out really good, so I'm excited. So let's get to it. Okay, so at Walmart I bought fabric strips, and this is how it comes, like rolled up, and I think it was about like $6 or $7, and it comes with 2 rows. So I just now put down the first row on my bed, and so let's see how all the colors look. So there's it comes with 5, let me see, 1, 2. So it comes with 5 different patterns. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I had some white fabric and some green fabric, so I decided to cut some strips out so I can just change it up a little, add a little bit of like, so it's not too much like going on, too much, you know, clashing. So I cut some up. So one fabric strip is 2.5 by 42 inches long. It opens up. It opens up. So you have a whole thing of fabric, and it's the perfect size for hanging on the rope, the cord or twine, whichever you use. So I bought this. I threw away the wrapper though. So this is, you know, you could find this at any store that has crafts section. Walmart. I got this at Walmart actually. So I'm gonna go hang this up first, and then we can start wrapping up the fabric. Okay, so I just hung my cord from there to there, so on 2 thumbtacks, and now I'm going to get my fabric. So to pick what fabric I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna use the middle one. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm gonna start with this fabric right here, because this is the middle. Yep. So I'm gonna use this fabric because it's the middle fabric, and this is gonna be my start, so then I can line it all up evenly. Okay? Okay, so I remember them holding up the fabric like this. Okay? And then grabbing the bottom. Okay, grab the bottom. And then pull it through here. And then pull. And then bam. And that's what you have. Okay, and now I'm gonna get the next fabric. This goes to the right. Okay, do the same thing. So hold the bottom, okay? Close it, right? And then on the top, you're gonna open it, pull it through, and then pull. Be careful pulling, you don't pull it out on the wall off the thumbtacks. So the cool thing about this is like when somebody puts it up for decorations, you could like move it apart, you know, to see how far apart you want it to be. So I'm gonna keep it by each other right now. I'm gonna go to the next fabric, which is this pretty elephant. Has elephants, giraffes, monkeys, tigers. It's so cute. And then do the same thing. If I could grab it. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then put it through like so. See, I dropped it. Okay, there we go. And you could like flip it, I guess. No, maybe not. That's fine. See? Perfect. Look, make it tighter. It closes more and looks just prettier. And you can make it as tight and as loose as you want. So again, open it, hold the bottom, and then put it through like that. Pretty already. So now I'm gonna start on this side. I'm actually gonna start a different way so it matches up. So the white is here. I actually like it better like that. So I changed up how the pattern was going because since I'm making this the middle, I want the next one on this side to be white as well, and then this one. So I wanted to match like that. So that's why I changed it up. I think it will look better. So same thing. And this pretty fabric, look how pretty it is. I just love the colors. It's so bright, and I think it will be so cute in like a bedroom for like a baby's bedroom, like jungle theme. I think it's just so adorable. Or you could just use it for a birthday party. I think both occasions it will work. So this is what half of the fabric does in the fabric strips. So that's half done. Okay, I was thinking of adding another color. I found this fabric, you know, in my stash. So I thought this color would also be a nice little kick to it. So let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna iron the fabric a little so it's, you know, not wrinkled. Then I'm gonna get one of the fabric strips and just line it up. My phone's about to die. Alright, so I have this, but then look, it's open, so I need to go to sewing machine and just sew a line across. So I just sewed a line across real fast, and then see, now it's like a regular piece. And I thought I could just add it, move it over, and let's see, move these over, add it between here. I think that would be a good spot. Add some little color. Okay, same thing. And then I have to make a few more of these so I could put it in this spot too as well. So I have this fabric left over, one more piece, so I decided to open it up, cut it back in half, and I want to make two bows at the ends of the banner. So I'm gonna use this, and the blue, because the blue I just love it so much. Okay, and that's fine. I wanted the blue to be a little bigger so I could just, I don't know. I'm gonna figure something out. Let's see what I can create. Just tied it into a knot. I thought it still looks so cute. So this is the final banner. What do you guys think? I actually love it so much. I think it's so pretty. The colors are just so beautiful and bright. And then you could always add like a number sign in the middle. I think it's so pretty. Well, that's it. Well, thank you for watching my video on how to create a fabric banner. I hope you guys loved it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.